Soldiers from 2nd Battalion, 7th Infantry Regiment, and 1st Squadron, 91st Cavalry Regiment came together for a day of lifting and giving. The soldiers partnered with the Latvian Christian Camp Center, a nonprofit organization that provides camps for less fortunate children. The two units collected stacks of wood for the center in order for it to be used to construct camp buildings and to build fires to keep the kids warm.
This is kind of why most of us serve, is to help out people who don't have the means to, or who need it. So it's a pretty good feeling.
The community service event is a part of the relationship built with the Latvian community during Operation Atlantic Resolve. The operation is an ongoing multinational partnership focused on joint training and security cooperation between the U.S. and other NATO allies.
Looking outward toward our NATO partners is a great opportunity for us to expand our own knowledge and understanding of the world.
The work the soldiers put forth in one day would have taken the center weeks to complete. The Latvians were appreciative of the selfless attitude the soldiers displayed.
They like it also, they smile, and I see it, because sometimes people don't want to help. They just, what is help? They want to get salary, something like this, yeah, but you just come, and it's great.
Reporting from Seagold, Latvia for the 16th MPAD, I'm Army Sergeant Summer Woode.